You'll find the ingredients in the video description, and I'm starting right away by cutting broccoli into small florets. I peel the onions and cut them into quarters. Broccoli, onion and garlic go into the air fryer basket. Stay till the end, I'll show you my crispy bacon croutons and that silky smooth finish. I drizzle with olive oil and season with salt, pepper and my favorite herbs. I air fry for about 15 to 20 minutes at 356 Fahrenheit, 180 Celsius, or bake about 30 minutes. I tip the roasted veggies into a pot, add broth and bring it to a boil. I dice the bacon and pan fry it. This is my crunchy swap for croutons. Once the soup boils, I add heavy cream and a handful of spinach, then cook about 2 more minutes. I just want the spinach to wilt so the color stays bright and the taste stays fresh. Then I blend the soup until perfectly smooth and creamy. Into a bowl it goes, topped with grated parmesan and that crispy bacon. And it's ready. Enjoy! If you like simple cozy soups like this, leave a like, a comment and subscribe for more.